Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the Lego Friends Vacation Beach House and this came out in 2022 and I really love the look of this. I love all the colours in it and I like the style of it, but of course I felt I needed to rebuild it. So let's take a look at what I've done. The 5 girls are going to be visiting the vacation house. So we had Emma there, Andrea, Stephanie, Olivia, and Mia will be coming. And I've made them all go casual because they're going on holiday. This is my version of the Lego Friends vacation house. And I have popped in these stairs leading up, so I used some curved plates there. Lots of bamboo plants to give it that beachy tropical feel. I used these transparent panels to give the pool a modern look. Popped in these seashells here because it is by the beach. So my base plate I made is 32 wide by 30 deep and I have raised it by 2 bricks high. I wanted to give it that elevated look and so I could sink the pool in also. And I used these transparent bricks here to be the splashback inside the kitchen, so you'll see that after. I love doing that now. And I added lots of those plants in and lots of the plants that came with the set. And this is how it looks on this side. I love adding palm trees as it gives that tropical beachy holiday feel. So now I'll show you a different angle so you can see the pool a little bit better. It's a nice large pool. I added in a pebble path leading up to the double front doors. I really love those doors. And I used that welcome mat. So I really liked that. And now we need these beanbaggy looking chairs. Nice and comfortable. So you can sit and relax and have a drink. So I made 2 of them, 2 different colours. They go here. And you can make them spin around too. They're just on one of those studs. And a little fire pit, because who doesn't love a little fire pit? So I'll pop that there. And another palm tree to give some shade there when you're sitting there in the hot sun. Now over here by the pool, I need to park these scooters. They came with a set, so that's a very cool scooter park. And Mia's already come because she can't wait to relax, and Sebastian's come along too. And he's going to go on the banana pool floaty. Time to spin it round so you can see the lounge room, dining and kitchen area that I have made. So this is how it looks like, the bottom floor. I wanted to have some separation with the kitchen, that's why I did the archway there. I thought that turned out good. I'll just move that lamp. And you can see I've made like a little overhang there, breakfast bar. There's the splashback at the back there for the stove. And I used up those panels that came with the set, as I really liked how that was done, and I did some extra shelving there. I put some dots tiles up here to make it look like waves, just some extra details for the beach house. So it's quite a large kitchen. I use these cone pieces here to add extra details for the legs for the bench. This part here is for the dining room. I made a little planter pot stand. You can also put little books in there. And then I made this little sideboard. So we got a little pot plant here and a little seashell. And I used one of those toilet paper roll things. Hang on, it's really stuck on. So that's that toilet roll part. There's a little like vase and that just goes on there. I love making furniture. that just adds more details and things inside a house. So that goes there. And now I'll pop this lamp shade that I made. So that's gonna hang down. So it's like a, hanging down lampshade. I'll pop that in first so I know where to pop the dining table in. Very easy design there, and I wanted to use up the clear bricks, make it look a bit modern as well. And I made 5 of these chairs so each of the girls can sit at the table together. Nice and easy. There's all the chairs in place, and now we just need some fruit on the table because you get hungry after swimming and relaxing all day. I'll just fix up that's better. Let's move across to the lounge area. I wanted to give extra height in the lounge room to make it feel more roomy and spacious. That's stickers from the Surfer Beachfront set that I had. I had a spare one of those. And I popped in these big large windows to add extra light in. I made a little TV cabinet here, another one of my space saving designs, lots of trinkets on top, and that just goes here in the corner. That fits perfect in there. I used up the coffee table that came with a set, and then I made some couches. I love the orange colour, and that's stickers from Andrea's beach house. I had a few spare of those. Thought I'd make some extra couches for him. So I made 2 of these, and I loved that orange colour. So that's the little lounge room. Here's Elijah. He's going to sit and test out this couch while he's reading a book. So that is the bottom floor. Second floor time, and Emma's waving hello to everyone. I used purple on this level. I thought that would look best, and I really liked those dots tiles that the designers added in on the original, so I wanted to add that in. Lots of highlight windows there at the top to let light in. So this is the bathroom area, and it's on top of the lounge, and I added that vine in. So that's how that looks. And above the entranceway, I thought I'd put the little balcony there because it just fitted perfectly. This is how it looks like from the side. I used up that panel from the set for the bathroom. And this is the second floor on the inside. Here's the little bathroom. Very simple, but very modern and minimalistic. So that mirror was from the set. Up here is like another lounge area and sleeping area. I'll just move that out so we can see a bit better. I liked the idea of the bunk bed, so I kept that look. And I just changed the bed sheet there. I thought the tropical one looked nicer. And here's the gaming part, more highlight windows. I used up those panels that came with the set. I popped that TV up here and the cactus and the couch, and I put it on an angle, but I made it so I can move it and then it will turn into an extra bed because there's lots of people staying in this holiday home. It's very easy to move back, so I'll just pop that back in place. And over here I had a spare sticker from a Surfer Beachfront shop, so I popped that in, and then I made this little cabinet and popped that radio on there because we need music in this party house. So that's that, and then I'll hang that up because I am going to put the table tennis inside here, or the ping pong table, and this is like the games room too. So there's the little rackets there. That's turned out good. Andrea's sitting down and she's going to play a few games. Level 3 is the bedroom, and I popped in the 3 panelled windows there that I used on the bottom too, and I wanted to use up that teal arch. I thought that looked best there in the middle. lots of plants, and I popped vines there because that's where the bathroom is. I didn't have enough teal bricks, so I popped in these studs and plates on to make it look like it's all teal. So that's a good way to use up plates and add extra colour in. I made another balcony here for the master suite, so there's another little area to relax in. Popped in that palm tree and a little lounge recliner. I got that idea from the Lego Friends Hotel, and I thought that would look best up here. And a little drink stand, so you can sit up here, relax away from everyone. I used up a lot of the transparent panels and glassy looking bits and clear doors to give it that beachy modern feel and let lots of light in. This is how it looks like from the side. And now let's turn it around so you can see the inside. That's what the veranda looks like from that angle. But here's the little bathroom. So there's 2 bathrooms in this house. That mirror's from the Grand Hotel. I liked the toilet from the original set, and I used that 1x6 door frame there. Had a few spare of those. And now the bedroom. I popped in that bamboo plant there in the corner. And then I put in a plate there at the back. That's for the bed, and it's to hold the floor in place too. So here's the bed. I made it look modern and beachy. That's what it looks like underneath. Popped in blue bed sheets, give it that crisp, clean look. And then little bedside tables. Use that snot brick and popped a tile on to look like a drawer, and the upside down cupcake as the little lampshade. So I'll try and pop that in there. That was a bit difficult. And now another little cabinet here to hold the camera on. So that's how I did that. Popped a little plate on, and then the jumper studded plates on the front to look like drawer fronts. And then I needed to put a tile there, otherwise it wouldn't go on properly. And then you've got that look, the designer look. And 3 down lights to give extra light. But look at the roof. I put in a skylight. I thought I want extra light into the bedroom as it's a beach house. So I needed to raise it 1 plate height to add this in. Also to hold the window in place. And I used a 1x4 snot brick and put a 1x4 plate on there. So I just popped that in there. And I had to do like a little ledge there to hold the window in place so it wouldn't fall in. And then you add a little tile on the end like that, and it holds it all in place. And now I've got a skylight that opens up too and lets fresh air in. Time to pop everyone in so they can enjoy this beach house. I'm sitting and relaxing on the comfy beanbag chair with everyone. The girls are playing a game on the dining table while the boys watch TV. Olivia and Stephanie are playing a game of ping pong. My version of the Lego Friends Vacation Beach House. I love raising the base plate up a bit because you can add a lot more details in, especially if you want to add a pool in. And I love that it sits up a bit higher so you can see the details a lot better. I toned down the colour palette and got rid of the pink and orange and made it feel more of the beachy feel. I hope I have given you some ideas on how to rebuild your vacation beach house or build a new one. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative.